Bienvenidos from Uvita. We are in Uvita today, and we are doing a whale and dolphin boat tour. Apparently, this area of Costa Rica, the Southern Pacific, this is a really good time of year to see humpback whales, southern humpback whales, because they are migrating down through the warm waters that are here, and this is also a good breeding ground for them. So this should be a very exciting day. Here we go. Whale time.
Let's go.
I'm sending out my aquamarine energy to the whales, to the dolphins, because I need to see something.
We have to see them.
Ready to go. Do me.
The whales.
Do me. Oh my god, that water is boiling. Alright, we finished our whale tour and it was amazing. My face is extremely red. I'm not really sure why, because we were covered on the boat, but anyway. We are now at Uvita waterfall, and it's a natural, supposedly, it's a natural slide. I think we have to pay like $4 a person to get in or something, so.
Yeah, it should be fun.
We're gonna check it out.
Here we go.
Walking to the waterfall. He said this whole trail is pretty much rocks, which is great because I'm in flip-flops. He said follow the red marks. This is like rock climbing.
I'm scared. You can climb up that ladder to get.
Here we go. slide down this thing.
He's just descended.
Rainforest now. Just doing this in flip-flops, and it's just scary. Absolutely pouring. So happy we went down the slide. This has been one of my favorite days so far. Bienvenidos.
Pura vida.
We are at Carara National Park today. It is really close to Jaco, only about 25 minutes. This apparently is one of the best national parks in Costa Rica for bird watching. So we're really hoping to see a toucan today. A very easy trail. Yeah, this is a low-key park, so hopefully we'll see some good stuff. Well, Carara National Park was a flop for us.
Yeah, but we did see the small turtle, or small like poisonous turtles, or not turtles, frogs.
We saw poison dart frogs, a bunch of lizards,
Bird that was super talkative.
a little talkative bird,
That's it.
and a deer. Unlucky park day for us, but that's okay. It's our last Sunday in Costa Rica, so we'll see what else we'll get into.
It's Kaylee's birthday, Jordan year 23.
Bruh!
Happy birthday!
I don't even know if you can see that. It's 5:30. In an attempt to wake up to see the sunrise, even though it rises on the East Coast. I don't know if we'll make it. I'm missing it. Maybe that's better. Our time in Costa Rica has come to an end. This has been a really, really fun trip. I'm excited we took the first step in traveling a little bit. This month went by so fast, but so slow at the same time. Like, I feel like this was a really good amount of time to stay here. I would definitely come back to Costa Rica. We still have so much to see here. Like, we haven't even gone close to the east coast of this country, so definitely will be returning. It's just been a lot of fun, and now we have to pack up, which is very sad, but I'm also very excited for our next adventure in Peru. I'm so grateful that we got to do this little adventure, and I'm so excited to do many more adventures in the future. I hate that I have to pack up right now, but we're going to be checking out of here tomorrow morning, so we're going to have everything packed, everything cleaned up, and pretty much just be ready to leave in the morning. So it's very bittersweet, but 10 out of 10 recommend coming here. Thank you for watching my Costa Rica series. Thank you for watching this week's video. Hopefully somebody out there enjoyed it. If nobody enjoyed it, at least I know my parents did. I'm gonna continue the vlogging journey in Peru, which will be very exciting. So stay tuned for the Peru vlogs, and see you next time.